My dear sisters and brothers, God has always been gathering His children into Himself, making us in His own likeness and image. But we resist that. And we have seen right through, from the time of Adam to the prophets, there's always been a resistance to God bringing them together. He's done everything for them, but they keep on resisting. Now Jesus is sent to collect them together, and again there is a resistance. But in this resistance itself is the answer. One man should die for the nation. So He is gathering by His death the whole nation together in Himself. This was prophesied and we have seen it, and now that is happening. But it is almost 2000 years, and we see in the church itself there are so many divisions. If we look into our own families, sometimes we are even divided there. And why does this happen? Only one reason, that the evil one is at work, and he finds those who are self-centered an easy prey. And we know how each one of us, though we are centered on God, if we are not alert as Jesus has told us, will subtly take us from Him and make us independent, thinking that we are still with Him. Let us ask the Lord to help us to discern. And the only way we can discern is to be present to Him and therefore free of self. Secondly, we must be detached from all our thoughts and our feelings and whatever we hold on to. Because if we are not internally free, then we cannot make a decision that is based on the guidance of the Spirit. And the Spirit always guides us. But we must be attentive to the promptings of the Spirit. And for that, we need these two attitudes. One is detachment from everything that we are attached to, and secondly, we must be centered on Him. Then we will be able to see clearly and respond accurately. Let us ask for this grace, as we have seen in the readings today, how Jesus is going to where He is going to gather us together by His death, suffering, and resurrection. Let us hold our hands together, close our eyes, and be present to this love mystery that God has revealed to us in His Son Jesus, making attempts to bring us together into Him. Let us cooperate with His plans, and each one of us give ourselves fully to the work of Jesus in each one of us, so that through us He can continue to bring about the people together.